With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, which is a modification of root that doesn't store food? So if we'll see the options are napiform root, fusiform root, tuberous root, stilt root. Here we will see option one by one. First one, we are having the napiform root. Napiform root, it is a modified root. It is a modified taproot. We can say that it is a modified taproot. This modified taproot that is being used for the storage of the food, that is storage of the food in case of, if we'll see example, that is in case of beet and the turnip. Common example here is in case of beet and the turnip. These napiform roots spherical at the base and sharply tapering toward the apex. So that is a act as a storage food storage root that is in the turnip. So this is incorrect because we have to choose which doesn't store the food. It stored the food. Next we are having the fusiform root. So if we'll see the fusiform root, we can write it as a fusiform root. Fusiform root that is swollen at the middle and tapering at the both ends. It is also a modification of the taproot. It is a modified taproot, one of the modification of the taproot that is also has a function of storage of food. And here if you see an example of fusiform, that is in case of the radish. In case of the radish, fusiform root that stores the food. So it also become incorrect option. Next we are having the tuberous root. Here we can write it as a tuberous root, another example of the modified taproot. Here also taproot is modified taproot similar to the above two, and this is having again function of the storage of food. Storage of the food in the tuber form. So that is we can commonly seen in case of the Mirabilis jalapa plant. Mirabilis jalapa, in case of that tuberous root act as a storage root. So this is also incorrect. So definitely last is left, that will be the correct answer. But here we will see that also. That is the last is the stilt root. So if we'll see the stilt root, first of all these are modification but not the modification of the taproot. It is a modified adventitious root. That is modified, it is modified adventitious root. And this, if we'll see the function of this modified adventitious root, it developed from the basal nodes of the stems. That developed from the basal node of the stems. Basal nodes of stems. These are shorter in length and it provides support to the plant. These are mainly, their major function is to provide support to the plant. Their not function is to storage of the food. So that is their major function. So that's why these doesn't come under the category of root which store the food. So we can say this is correct option. Option D is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.